What if I told you that by 2025, AI could predict your future? Not just the weather, but your health, career, and even your next big life decision. Sounds crazy, right? Well, buckle up, because the future is closer than you think.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Fortress AI Edu. Today we're diving into the world of predictive AI, the technology that's not just shaping the future but predicting it. From healthcare to finance, AI is becoming the ultimate crystal ball. So what will 2025 look like? Let's find out.
Imagine going to the doctor and being told you're at risk for a disease before you even show symptoms. That's the power of predictive AI in healthcare. AI can forecast health issues and recommend preventive measures by analysing genetic data and lifestyle. Companies like DeepMind and IBM, Watson Health are already making this a reality. By 2025, this could be the norm, saving millions of lives. Predictive AI is also revolutionising personalised medicine. Instead of one-size-fits-all treatments, AI can predict how you'll respond to specific drugs and therapies. This means fewer side effects, faster recoveries, and better outcomes. By 2025, your medicine cabinet might be filled with treatments designed just for you. Ever been stuck in traffic or caught off guard by a storm? Well, predictive AI is changing that. AI can predict traffic jams, crime hotspots, and natural disasters by analysing sensors, satellites, and social media data. Cities like Singapore and Barcelona are already using this tech. By 2025, your city might be as smart as your phone. Predictive AI is also transforming finance. From predicting stock market trends to forecasting your spending habits, AI is becoming the ultimate financial advisor. Apps like Mint and Robinhood are just the beginning. By 2025, AI could help you make smarter financial decisions before you even realize you need to.
And here's the kicker. Predictive AI isn't just about making life easier, it's about improving life. From preventing diseases to avoiding traffic jams, AI is helping us solve problems before they even happen. The future isn't just coming, it's already here. So what do you think? Is predictive AI the future, or are there risks we need to consider? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love your thoughts. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into the world of AI. Together, let's explore the future of technology.
From healthcare to finance, AI is reshaping our world. Stay curious, stay informed, and join us at Fortress AI Edu as we uncover the innovations that are changing lives. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.